uh, we'll begin. So, hello everybody. My name is Dave. This is the video test 3 for More 2. Please remember to speak in sentences and answer clearly. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Uh, my name is Khuê. I'm 11. And I study in class CEC times CT. Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. So the first part of our test, Quang Kuei, is to find the differences. So I will need you to use your memory
Yeah.
because I cannot show you both pictures big. I can only show you them like this.
Okay. I can. Yeah. I can.
Okay, so what I want you to do is look at these two pictures. They are similar, but they are not the same. Can you see any differences?
The differences between my picture and your picture is the picture doesn't have a sun, but in your picture there's a sun. Yes. The
Oh,
second.
right, the sun in the sky, yes.
Yes. The second difference is the tree. Now in my picture the tree is actually orange tree, but in your picture is apple tree.
It is an apple tree. Yes, correct. Can you see one more difference?
Yeah. The last difference between my picture is your picture is the inside the ranches. Inside in my picture inside the ranch there's two sheep, but in your picture in ranches there's two. Um, I think
Let me
that's
make it
cow.
bigger. Yeah, I can make it bigger for you there.
That's cow.
Correct, two
Yeah.
cows. Well done. So thank you very much. And now we're going to move on to part 2. Now, in part 2, I'm going to give you this information card. Now, you know all about Harry's favorite restaurant, but you don't know anything about Helen's favorite restaurant. So I'm going to ask you questions about Harry, and then you are going to ask me questions about Helen. So can you begin by asking me a question about Helen's favorite restaurant?
Uh, uh, what is your restaurant's name?
Okay, so I am not Helen, but I do know all about Helen. So you would ask me what is the name of, or what's the name of?
Yeah.
And the
What?
name,
What's
yeah,
the?
okay.
What is the name of your restaurant?
What's the name of Helen's favorite restaurant? Well, Helen's favorite restaurant is the Pasta Place.
Yeah, and uh, uh, is Helen's favorite restaurant expensive or cheap?
Helen's restaurant is expensive, but the food is delicious.
Yeah. And how often does Helen's visit her favorite restaurant?
Oh, she goes there once a month because it's quite expensive.
Yeah, and what time does Helen's favorite restaurant close?
It's open until midnight. It closes at 12 p.m.
Yeah, and is it
12 a.m.,
is
sorry.
it near Helen's home?
It is not near her home. No, it's actually quite far away. So thank you very much. Now, you know all about Harry's favorite restaurant, but I don't know anything about Harry's favorite restaurant. So I'm going to ask you questions about Harry. The first question is, what is the name of Harry's favorite restaurant?
The Harrisburg restaurant's name's Ben's Burgers.
Oh, right. So is the restaurant expensive or cheap?
It's cheap.
Excellent. So how often does Henry go there?
Henry go there every Saturday.
He goes there every Saturday. Wow. What time does it close?
It
It
close
closes
on 10 o'clock.
at 10 o'clock. And is it near his home or far away?
Yeah, it's near Harry's home.
Wonderful. Now we're going to move on to the final part of the test, which is to tell a picture story. If you can look at the 5 pictures and can you make a story and tell the teacher what is happening?
So
What
the
is,
first
yeah,
yeah. So the first picture is about Richard and his mom is preparing for a picnic.
oh,
Yes, and on the picture 2, he prepared for the picnic and ride on riding on a car and also singing. Picture number 3 is about
so
Richard
what do they
has
do? What do
landed.
they do? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they land on like a grass place or maybe a park and have a picnic.
All right.
So
What
picture
happens
number
next?
so picture number 4 is is Richard is like to play is playing football there. And number 5, the cow nearby the Richard's and mom's picnic just just got her hat.
Oh, yeah. So how do they feel? How does
They
Richard feel?
feel very the moms feel very angry, but Richard thought it's very funny.
Okay, excellent. Yeah, you can see Richard is laughing, but Mom definitely angry. So that is the end of the speaking test. You've done a great job, Khuê. Thank you very much. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Yeah, bye bye, teacher.